Most men don't expect women to be overly super sweet, but at least don't make every interaction World War III. When he mentally checks out and takes a step back, that the woman senses a great change and she starts getting worried. So then she will start stepping up. She'll become nicer and sweeter, more loving and more affectionate, making sure he's taken care of and doing all the things that made him fall for her in the first place. But it's too late. He knows it's all a farce. He knows who you really are. That wife, that woman that he loved, that former version of you he had in his mind, it's gone.
Respect is not a bonus, right, for perfect husbands. Oh, you're perfect. Let me give you a bonus of respecting you. No, it's a command. It's a command. We read the scriptures earlier. Wives must respect their husbands. You say, oh yeah, what about the husbands? Yes, you're right. There's also a command for him to love his wife, right? But many times, I can tell you, a husband, if he feels respected, he will give love much, much more easier. Much, much more easier. And we could get in the argument of who goes first, and we can get all in that, but this is not the point I'm trying to make. Proverbs 21, verse 19 says, it's better for a man to camp out in a desert with rattlesnakes and cactus than live with a contentious wife. That's one translation. Here's the heartbreak. When a wife finally realizes she's been disrespectful, she scrambles because now he's pulling away. He's shut down. He's barely interacting with her. And she's freaking out, wondering, is there somebody else? And on, right? And she may raise those issues. And then just simply saying, I just don't want to deal with you or deal with it. Is that right? No, I'm not advocating to say that's right, but that tends to happen. And so now she begins to scramble to fix it. But he's already checked out. And deep down, he doesn't trust that approach anymore. He's seen it. And now he no longer trusts it, because why would he want to trust something like that when he knows what he's gone through and what he had to put up with? Respect is not about pretending. It's about choosing every day to build your husband up, not tear him down. Because once he's gone, okay, so once he's gone emotionally, winning him back takes a miracle. Do I believe in miracles? Yes, I do. Have I seen miracles like this? Yes, I've seen it, because it's possible. I would not be doing the work that I do, and I would not be having my Joyful Marriage Quest, the 6-week biblical and evidence-based coaching journey to have wives just like you, to experience a much more satisfying and fulfilling and sustained peace and joy kind of marriage. I would not be doing that. I would not be spending my time doing videos like this if I didn't believe that things can turn around. I do believe that. So here's what I want to say, dear wife. You can't nag your husband into loving you more. You can't. But you can respect him into becoming the man God called him to be. So if your husband is a high achiever or an entrepreneur, the pressure of succeeding and providing for you and the family can be draining. Your respect doesn't erase his flaws, right? It strengthens him to work on them. It strengthens him to work on them. And so here's what I say. Embracing the mind of Christ is the fastest and most impactful way for you, dear wife, and for your marriage to experience a 180, no matter where it's at right now. That is what I believe is a game changer, to allow you to reconnect with your husband. That's why I said earlier, it takes a miracle, and I believe in miracles. So let me encourage you to do your part to find out how to do that. And I can help you with that. And that's why I've encouraged you, and I want to once again encourage you to join my free webinar, How to Reconnect with Your Husband Without Feeling Like You're the Only One Trying. And you can sign up at buildyourhappiermarriage.com/waitlist. And in doing so, I'll send you my free booklet, Reconnect. a quick guide for wives who feel like they're doing it all. So thank you for taking the time to watch, to listen. Would you please share this video with at least one other person, one other wife like yourself, or to a couple? I would really appreciate that. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless and peace out.